And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FX Passion broadcasting you live on YouTube. Hello TikTok, how are you? And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember everybody, trading is a learnable skill. This is the good news, right? You can learn this. What is the bad news? When we learn in the correct way. Why is this a bad news? Because we can learn not in the correct way, everybody. The MST, right? What is the MST? M stands for the market, S stands for the strategy, and T stands for the big one, the trader. So if we want to make, not you, but if we want to make consistent profits, right, we need to learn about the market, the strategy, and the trader. Now, talking about the market and the strategy, we are trying to do this with all of these modules: basic, beginner, intermediate, advanced. Talking about the trader, it's in the Forex course 202. Champion traders always say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Hello Lucas, how are you? And my humble 50 cents, when the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing, you know. What is the right thing to do? Ask for help, everybody. Ask for help. If you are in the Forex market, this is Forex Trading Course. If you are in the Forex market for 3+ years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and you are not making it, you know, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Ask for help. Hello, learn to trade, sir. Ask for help, because remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And risk disclaimer, the webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. For homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype. And you can follow me on TradingView if you want, the real FX Passion, you know. Yes, somebody's trying, you know, there are a lot of FX Passions out there, you know. Okay, everybody, that being said, trading Fibonacci numbers, how to adjust the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. Yesterday we talked about Canada JPY, so let's move forward, right? And let me see. What else do we have, you know? Canada CHF, Canada CHF JPY, Euro AUD. Euro AUD, let's see Euro AUD, everybody. Euro AUD, one more, right? We are in an up Fibonacci settings chart. Okay. We have an up Fibonacci. Okay, this is the lower band. This is the upper band. And we need to change settings to GMT for the bands. For the bands we need to see settings. Okay, makes sense. So this would be the upper band, somewhere like in here. Now it complicated things, right? This is might not be the upper band. The market still a little bit up higher, maybe yes, maybe no. Okay, I'm not going to leave it like this because the market pushed, so back in time it was this, then I'm going to leave it up in here. Okay, so settings, I'm going to go back to this one because I want New York close charts. Okay. And let's start, right? So this is Euro AUD monthly chart, and we've done this yesterday, so we're going to continue. Okay, how to adjust. When we say how to adjust, we are talking when the A goes to C and B goes to D, right? So this is the upper band and text. This is going to be, everybody, are you building your Fibonacci's on your charts? Traders, Are you building your Fibonacci's? Oh, but I don't want to use the Fibonacci. Well, then it's fine. But if you are going to trade with the Fibonacci's, everybody, are you building your charts? So there you go. A to B, B to C, Fibonacci retracement tool from here to here, right? From here to here, Fibonacci, something like this. And fixed right side, there you go. Okay, everybody, so this is A, B. Tell me which one is the C. Is the first circle the C? Or is the second circle the C? Everybody, let's start the lesson. We want to see if the Fibonacci's on the Euro AUD are up or down, and we are going to start from the monthly, right? From the monthly. So we have the A, B. Which one is the C? The first circle or the second circle? What do you think? And there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. You can say the first circle is the C, or you can say the second circle is the C. And then we are going to check the D2, right? So this is Euro AUD monthly chart. Is the first circle the D extension, or is the second circle the correct D extension? Lucas says first, very good, yes sir, this is our C. What about the D, everybody? So what is the A? The A is the starting point, is the lowest low, is the absolute low in an upswing, in an up Fibonacci. What is the B? The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. What is the C? The C is the deepest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension. And what is the D extension? The D extension is referred to the C retracement. And learn to trade number one, yes sir. So the D is the first high at or after the market hits the level. So green goes to green, 1618. Okay, now talking about how to adjust, everybody, have your vertical, have your horizontal line, put it on the D, and have your horizontal line and put it on the C. Delete the Fibonacci and just change the letters. A goes to C. Say it with me, come on. B goes to D, correct. This is how we adjust the Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracement tool, one more time. Okay, we're going to zoom out a little bit. And now, which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? From left to right, is the second circle the C? Is the third circle the C? Or is the fourth circle the C? What do you think? Starting from left to right, is the first circle the C, the second, the third, or the fourth? Which one? And talking about the D extension, right? Talking about the D extension, is the first circle the D extension, or is the second circle the D extension? What do you think? And don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Hello Allah, how are you? So starting from left to right, what circle is the C? And then what circle is the D? Lucas says, well, the C is circle number 4. Anybody else? Number 4, very good. You got it, everybody. Congratulations. So out, out, out. We found the C. The C is the deepest point, not necessarily low. What about the D extension? Which one is the D? Is the first circle the D, the lower one, or is the second circle the D? And I'm going to tell you already, everybody, it's a tricky question. Which one is the D? What do you think? The first circle or the second circle? And somebody is writing on the other streaming platform, everybody. You are not going to see this on YouTube. And it's writing, Passion, when you are in class, everything seems so simple. But when I am alone by myself, everything it gets complicated and messy. Yes, this is why we need to practice, 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 everybody. Right? When in class, we understand everything, you know, no doubts whatsoever. But when we are about ourselves, things get complicated time to time. That was I'm telling you, you know, ask for help. Everybody. You don't want to hear this, everybody, but why 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide? 90% of traders never ask for help. Is that simple? You know? And even though some of them ask for help, you know, 90% of them are not coachable. You know, we are telling you, do this, do that. No, I don't want to. You know, we are coaching you, everybody. Did you do the homework? No, I didn't. We are coaching you. Did you collect the samples from your strategy? No, I didn't. Then, what are you doing here, you know? Make sense? And it's normal, everybody. It's called, you know, Lalo said about, the trader Lalo was talking about homeostasis. You know, it's a program. I think about one. Very good. So let's see, everybody. Let's see which one, okay? It's a tricky question, so you cannot be sure, everybody. Remember, Fibonacci's are very good, are a great tool, but if you miss or if you take the wrong high or low, then you are going to have the wrong sequence. So what we're going to do, we are going to check the numbers. 1618, it's at 1.680, and going with the mouse and using the widget in here, you know, you have the high open, so 1.680, and this high is at 1.67. Can you see, everybody? Yeah, you can see graphically too, yes. But some of you are not zooming in the charts. I know some of you. And I keep telling you, zoom in the charts, because maybe you are going to have the wrong Fibonacci. Right? Some of you are going back to class, the private class, and you are wondering, why is my Fibonacci different than yours? Here is the reason. Can you see, everybody, that the market didn't hit the green? But you are not going to figure this out if your chart stays like this. See, everybody? You can falsely assume that the market hit the D. It didn't. So, how to adjust the Fibonacci? A goes to C, horizontal line, and B goes to D, up in here. B goes to D, A goes to C. Come on. A goes to C. Right? Tell me everybody, talking about the Euro AUD monthly chart, should we look to buy long term or should we look to sell long term? Sir, on another platform that was there. Okay, but we're on J4X. Are you talking about TradingView, Lucas? Okay, everybody, so should we go long on the Fibonacci's long term on Euro AUD monthly chart or should we go short? And somebody's asking, now Lucas said certain on another platform that was there, somebody's asking on another streaming platform, when we have different numbers, what should we do? Well, check 3 platforms everybody and you go with the winning number. Okay? You can check J4X, you can check TradingView, you can check Smart Trader, you can check MetaTrader or any other platform, Ninja Trader, you know. There must be 20 out there, 20 platforms, you know, and you go with the majority of them. Okay? So everybody, should we go long term on Euro AUD monthly chart or should we go short long term? Ala says long, very good. Is anybody in here who is planning to short the market? Everybody? Is anybody who is waiting for the counter trendline break and is thinking that this market is going to go down because we are seeing lower lows, lower highs? See how this works, everybody? We learned about past support, right? Past support. Agreed? Talking about the Fibonacci, how is our trade doing so far? Still nothing. Okay, we're going to wait. Everybody, do you think this is a great trade to go long? Long until the upper band. Long, yes sir. Okay, very good. Now this is Euro AUD monthly chart, right? Now let's go on Euro AUD weekly chart and we are going to do the same. We are going to learn how to adjust the Fibonacci, right? Weekly chart, starting point still the same. This is our starting point. Let's make it bigger. Monthly we have it, right? Now horizontal line, this is our A. Everybody, which one is the B? Is this circle the B? Is this circle the B? Or is this circle the B? Which one is the B, everybody? The first circle, the second, or the third? Is the first circle, is the second circle, or is the third circle? What is our B, everybody? What do you think? First, second, or third? Which one is our... There is no right or wrong, everybody. You can say number 1, you know, you can type in the chat number 2. So we are looking for the B, right? This is our A down in here. And one more time, everybody, are you building your charts with the Fibonacci's? Ala says number 1. Anybody else? Learn to trade, number 2. Anybody else? Nobody number 3, no? What is the B? The B is the first high. Allah, is number 1 a high? Is number 1 a high, everybody? The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. So number 3 is out. Looks like the first one, but it's not a high. Exactly. Number 1, everybody, it's not a high. So number 2 is the correct one. So we have A, we have the B. Fibonacci retracement tool, there you go. And can I trick you? No, I cannot. So this is our C. This is our C, right? It's a no-brainer. This is our C. Let me see about the D, if I can trick you. Yes, I can. Okay, so green goes to green, right? Green goes to green. We have the A, B, C. Which one is the D, everybody? Is the first circle the D? Is the second circle the D? Or is the third circle the D? Which one is the D? Passion, I cannot see. Okay. Can you see, everybody? You have 3 highs, right? Which one is the D? The extension, the first circle, the second circle, or the third? What do you think? You can say circle number 1, not a problem. You can say circle number 2, not a problem too. Circle number 3. And everybody, homework, right? Homework. Build your Fibonacci's. Build your up Fibonacci's on AUD CHF, Canada CHF, Canada JPY, Euro AUD. Learn to trade number 1. Anybody else? Anybody else, everybody? You can say number 2, you can say number 3. So what is the D, right? The D is the first high. You know, is the first high. So is the first circle a high? Yes, it is. Congratulations to you, learn to trade. So this is our D extension, right? This is a high. Yes, sir, it is. There you go. And horizontal line, A goes to C, B goes to D. Delete the Fibonacci. Change the letters. A goes to C, down here. B goes to D, up in here. Very slowly, right? Fibonacci retracement tool, and we are going to connect high to low. And we are going to compress the chart. Let me see if I can trick you. Yes, I can. Very good. Yes, I can. Everybody. Okay, there you go. This is a great example how we are going to make mistakes talking about the Fibonacci. Which one is the C? Circle number 1, circle number 2, circle number 3, or circle number 4? Everybody, which one is the C? And I'm telling you, don't be angry with me. I'm going to trick you. It's a tricky question. Which one is the circle? Which one is the C? Circle number 1, circle number 2, circle number 3, circle number 4. Which one? What is the C? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So which one of those circles, everybody, is the lowest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the D extension? Which one? Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4. Oh my gosh, he is tricking us again. Just look at the chart and follow the rules. Which one is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension? Teacher Learn to Trade, Teacher Lucas, Teacher Ala, Teacher TikTok, what do you think? Teacher Tari, Teacher Douglas, what do you think? Learn to Trade, number 1. Anybody else? Ala says number 3. Anybody else? Teacher Lucas, Teacher Tari, Teacher MHB, Teacher Douglas, which one? Learn to Trade number 1, Lucas number 1, Ala number 3. Anybody else? No courage? Oh my god, I'm going to make a mistake. You are going to make mistakes anyway, everybody, don't be shy. Sorry, number 1. Very good. So yes, everybody, the correct answer is not number 4. Is not number 4, but it's number 1. Why is number 1 compared to number 4? Right? We could be, when we are analyzing, TikTok says 4. No, thank you for the comment, but no sir. Okay, let me explain, everybody. This is a mistake. Okay, how can we, when we are analyzing charts, when we are building our charts, we could analyze and mistakenly say that, well, what is the C? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary. So we can say, well, compared to number 1 and compared to number 4, the number 4 is the lowest point, right? But there is another part to the rule. So is the lowest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So when you see this kind of chart, when you are going to find this kind of charts, and you are going to find those charts, everybody, a lot, look at number 1, look at number 4, and check where, so talking about the ABCD swing, where was the first time that the market hit the appropriate D extension? And if you look at the sequence, everybody, the market hit the D extension in here. This is the appropriate D extension. Okay, TikTok? Sure, no problem. But we as beginner traders, we are doing those kind of mistakes. So this is the C and this is the D. Number 4, not correct. Okay, this is the C. Number 1 is the C. And this is the D. Okay. Let's adjust the Fibonacci. Horizontal line, A goes to C and B goes to D. There you go. B goes to D, A goes to C, right? And Fibonacci retracement tool. Where is the high? Which one? So there you go. Right? Now, what do we see, everybody? Did the market break the A of the Fibonacci? Yes or no? Did the market break the A of the Fibonacci? It's a yes or no question. Did the market break the A of the Fibonacci from the weekly chart? When we are adjusting the Fibonacci in an uptrend, did the market break our up Fibonacci? TikTok says yes, very good. So once the market breaks the Fibonacci, Ala says yes, Lucas yes. Once the market breaks the Fibonacci, this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay? Learn to trade, yes. Now listen to me very carefully. When this happens, okay, and this Fibonacci is not valid anymore, okay, it's not, so we are not going to go up anymore because the market broke our A. So if we don't have an up Fibonacci, what do we have then? The market broke the up Fibonacci is not valid anymore, and if we don't have an up Fibonacci, then what do we have? How do we proceed? What's the answer? So the market broke our way. Should we go long again with an up Fibonacci, or should we reverse our original Fibonacci and go short? And those are non-negotiable rules. Yes, but there is no yes, but. You can accept what we are teaching you, you can reject what we are teaching you, but don't come to me with yes, but. There is no yes, but. The rules are clear. So I want you to think, everybody, it's really common sense. The up Fibonacci was broken, it's not valid anymore. Should we continue going up, or should we reverse our position and go short? And this happens a lot on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, sometimes on the daily chart too. So not from the monthly, right? From the monthly we adjust our Fibonacci and this is where we are. But from the weekly the market broke our up Fibonacci, and when we are going to move slowly on the daily chart, what do you think? Don't you think that from the daily chart the market is going to break our up Fibonacci too? Passion, you must be a genius. No, I'm not. Those are the concepts how the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. Reverse, but the monthly is up Fibonacci, so can I find for up opportunity? Lucas, great question, but the answer is no. No, you can't, everybody. You need to reverse your Fibonacci and horizontal line, you know, where should we start? Should we start from the first circle? What is, now looking about the down Fibonacci, which one is the A? Is the first circle is the A of a down sequence? Is the second circle the A of a down Fibonacci, or is the third circle the A of a down Fibonacci? What do you think? So let's go step by step, everybody. Number one, when the market breaks the A, you must know that you should, know that you would, know that you might, you must reverse the Fibonacci. And if you don't want to, well, you are going to have the wrong sequence. You are going to enter where you should not have entered. You are going to have the stop loss on the wrong level, and you are going to profit take where you should not profit take. If we are talking about how to trade the Fibonacci. Are we clear, everybody? Does this make sense to you? So Lucas is right, we need to reverse. What circle is the A of the down sequence? Is the first circle? Now this is the good news, right? We are using always the same rules. In a down sequence, what is the A? The A is the highest high, is the absolute high, is the starting point of a pattern. So if this is the rule, and it's always the same for an up Fibonacci and it goes the same for the down Fibonacci, what circle is the A? Everybody? The first circle, the second, or the third? Yes, we are using the same rules up and down. This is the good news. It's always the same, right? This is the learning part. This is the skill. Learn to trade number 1. Yes, sir. So this is our A, right? Now we need to find the B, and we need to find the C, and we need to find the D. So this is our A. Which one is the B? Is the first circle the B low? Is the second circle the B low? Or is the third circle the B low? Which one is the B? Lucas number 1, learn to trade 1, Ala 1. Yes, sir, all of you are correct. What about the B? Is the first circle our B, the second, or the third? The first one, correct. Okay, so we're going to do the same. Horizontal line, this is our B. Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to connect A to B. There you go. Right? Now, I'm going to trick you again. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Or is the second circle the C? Is the first circle on the left the C, or is the second circle on the right? Which one is the C? Ala number 1, yes sir, learn to trade 1, okay. Now what about the C, everybody? And don't bother, I know I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, okay. So which one is the C? The first circle on the left, or the... And of course, right, the first, because it's the... One more time. What is the C? The C is the highest point, not necessarily a high, is the highest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate D extension. So this is the C. Come on. And green goes to green. Down here this is the D, because this is the low, right? A goes to C in a down Fibonacci 2. B goes to D in a down Fibonacci 2. A goes to C. B goes to D. And let me see if which one is correct. Okay, there you go. Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to connect A to B. A, B, C, D. Okay, now let's see, everybody, which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C, everybody? Which one is the C? Which one is the C? The first circle, the second, or the third? What is a C? A C is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Which one is the C? First, second, or third? Look at the relationship between the retracement and the extension. 3, very good. And if the market hit the blue, if the market retraced to 1.4%, which one is the D? Is the first circle the D? Is the second circle the D, or is the third circle the correct D extension? Ala says number 1. Talking about the D extension, right, Ala? Exactly. A to B, right? A to B, B to C, blue goes to blue, and this is the D. The extension. The D must be a low. Blue goes to blue. Hit the blue, cross the blue, hit the blue, cross the blue, made a low. This is the D. Okay? So, one more time. A goes to C. A goes... Somebody screaming, oh, it broke! Wait, calm down. Let's go step by step. B goes to D. B goes to D. We are going to adjust our Fibonacci retracement one more time. Right? A, B, C, and this is the new sequence, right? Do we agree, everybody, that the market broke the A? The market broke our down Fibonacci here. The market broke the A. Yes or no? Learn to trade 1. Yes, sir. Do we agree, everybody, that the market broke our down Fibonacci? Everybody, do we agree on this? Do we agree that the market broke? Yes, okay. Now, one more time. Listen to me very carefully. So, our down Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay? Not valid anymore. We are going to delete it. Where should we start our up Fibonacci? Where should we start out? So we are here, this is the chart. Whoops. Where are we? There you go. We are here, right? We are here. Okay, the market broke our down Fibonacci. Where should we start? Should we start from the first circle? Should we start from the second circle, or should we start? So let's make it first circle, second circle, third circle, and fourth circle. Where should we start? It's really common sense, right? Where should we start our up Fibonacci one more time? And what we're doing today, everybody, this is how you adjust the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. An uptrend still continues from the monthly. And the weekly too, by the way, right? If we follow the rules, and I'm not going to repeat this time, which one is the correct circle to start the A? The first circle. So, would you start your Fibonacci from the first circle, Would you start your Fibonacci from the second circle? Would you start your Fibonacci from the third circle? Or would you start your Fibonacci from the fourth circle? Learn to trade number 4. Anybody else? Some of you are asking a question, right? Well, why not from the third? Allah says 4. Teacher, learn to trade. Teacher Allah, thank you very much. Why not from the third one? Right? Some of you is doubting and you are thinking, well, why not from the third one? Or maybe, you know, why not from the first one? Why don't we do something like, just an example, but why don't we do something like this, right? Or why don't we do something like this? At the beginning of the movement that broke the Fibonacci number 4. Oseda says 4. Yes, everybody, all of you are correct. Congratulations. Because of the rules, everybody, what is the A? The A is the lowest low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of a pattern. Okay, this circle in, whoops, clone, this first circle and this second circle and this third circle, those are not the lowest low. Everybody, this is the lowest low. Congratulations, everybody, number 4. It's the lowest low, it's the absolute low, it's the starting point of a pattern. You know? Make sense, everybody? This is why. And congratulations to you. Now A to B, right? Let's find the B. Let's try to trick you again, everybody. Let's see. Let's try to find the B. And somebody is asking on the other streaming platform, Passion, can A and B be the same candle? Answer no. Okay, no. Why not? Because it's a sequence. Okay, no, you can. It cannot be. Okay, why not? Because it's a sequence. So this is our B, right? This is the first high as soon as possible. See, everybody, you could be saying, well, this is the high, right? It's the same sequence. You could say something like this. The B is the first high after the A, not on the A, after. Alright? A to B, this is the B, this is the C, Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's connect the dots, A, B, C, D, right? Green goes to green, this is the D, so B goes to D, A goes to C. One more time. Fibonacci retracement tool, there you go. A goes to B, right? See how it works? It almost broke. And one more time, see what happened? Let me see if it went up back again. See, everybody, it broke one more time our A, agreed? Everybody, it broke our A here. We are not going to reverse our Fibonacci, okay, because we are out of time. But as you can see, everybody, the market broke the down Fibonacci too. Okay, so what we're going to do, A, B, C, D, the market broke the Fibonacci. So we are going to start again, starting from here. Why? Because this is the lowest point. This is the absolute low. This is the start of the uptrend. Make sense? One more time. A to B. Okay, A to B. Now we are almost out of time, so I'm going to go a little bit swiftly. A to B. C is here. D, green goes to green. D is up in here. So A goes to C and B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's connect the dots. And one more time. A goes to C, B goes to D. Must be a high. Fibonacci retracement tool. This is the new one. And lastly, I believe, no, A goes to C, right, and B, green goes to green, and B goes up in here, right? So this is our last Fibonacci. Now let's see if the market broke our up Fibonacci from the weekly, everybody. So this is AB, right? Let's see. Our A is at 1.527, and this low, 1.527, this low is at 1.527. So the market broke our up Fibonacci on the weekly. Okay, what does this mean? This Fibonacci is not valid anymore, and we have a down Fibonacci, right? We are going to use the same rules. A to B. You know, is this a B? No, it's not. So this is the AB boundary now on the weekly. A to B. Make sense, everybody? So we have opposite directions from two different time frames. Okay, we have opposite directions from two different time frames. Now here is the question. We learned about multiple time frame trading. Now between going long and between going short, who do you think is going to win? And we can extend this conversation into who is going to win long term and who is going to win short term. Oh, right? Trading is easy, everybody, but it's not simple, right? Okay, everybody, see you back tomorrow. I'm going to leave you with this question. Homework until tomorrow. Okay, build your charts on. So you have 2 homeworks until tomorrow. Okay, everybody, you have 2 homeworks. Homework. Number 1, build your charts. Talking about the Fibonacci, build your charts on AUD CHF, Canada JPY, Canada CHF. Okay, build your charts Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, and Euro CAD. Homework until tomorrow. Monthly, weekly, daily. And homework number 2, try to answer in your mind between going long or short on Euro AUD on the weekly chart. Who is going most likely Why most likely? Because Fibonacci's are not 100%. Who is going to win? Oseda, thanks. Calm down, my friend. This is the homework. Thank you, boss. Calm down. Thank you, Soya. Thank you, everybody. Calm down. Until tomorrow. Okay. Build your charts on AUD CHF, Canada JPY, Canada CHF, Euro AUD, Euro New Zealand, Euro CAD. And tomorrow I want an answer. Teacher Oseda, Teacher Lucas, Teacher Learn to Trade, Teacher Ala. I want an answer. Try to answer in your mind between going long or short on Euro AUD weekly chart. Who is going to win? Most likely. And repetition is how we learn, and this is going to make all the difference in trading, everybody. If you say, I'm going to go short on the weekly, or if you're going to say, well, I'm going to go long on the weekly, okay, this is going to make all the difference in your trading. Why? Because we need to learn and understand how the multiple time frames overlap one more time. And now we're done. Thank you very much. If you like these webinars, please give it a thumb up so we can continue with the project. It's for free for you. Until tomorrow, stay strong and draw the Fibonacci's with passion. This is FX Passion.